Going back to the basics of human health, we know that we have 9 or 10 different systems: endocrine system, cardiovascular system, digestive system, nervous system, immune system, and they're all essential for health. The one thing that has come out from the field of stem cell research is that we have discovered that we have, just like the other system, we also have a repair system, and that's your stem cells. Hi, I am Christian Dropo. I'm a stem cell scientist and author of the book Cracking the Stem Cell Code. So you have a problem with high blood pressure, which is your cardiovascular system. To help your cardiovascular system, you will take products that are going to reduce blood pressure and assist your cardiovascular system. If you have a problem with your digestive system or for digestion, then you will take things that will support the digestive system. If you have a cold in the winter or any issues with your immune system, you will take plants or you will do things that support your immune system. Well, we have discovered that the human body has a repair system. Just like the immune system, which is lymphoid tissue that will release specific cells called immune cells that will be guided very specifically to areas where you have an infection. Immune cells will go there, will go beside the bacteria and will kill the bacteria. It is a well-coordinated process that is all aimed at killing bacteria and keeping your body healthy and sound. Well, we have discovered that we have a repair system. It's your bone marrow, specific tissue, releasing specific cells, CD34 cells or stem cells. Now, there are many variants of stem cells, but they're all sort of one thing. Like you have many immune cells, you have many different types of stem cells. They are released from your bone marrow anytime you have an injury or something is not working properly in your body. These stem cells are attracted to the area that has the problem. Stem cells migrate in that tissue and will repair that tissue. It is just like your immune system, it is your repair system. And I'm saying all of this because many times in our lives we have things that are broken in our body, things that are not working very well, and we just did not know that we had a repair system. Now that we know that we have a repair system, is there something more fundamental than supporting your repair system when something is broken in your body? Do whatever you can to put more stem cells in circulation. Fasting for more than 3 days, intense physical activity, or the product that I've developed, STEMREGEN. Any one of these options will put more stem cells in circulation and will support your innate ability to repair.